To upload an image in ChatGPT in the Android app or web version. 1. Locate the upload button. In the chat interface, you'll usually find a paperclip or image icon next to the text input box. 2. Click the icon. Tap on the paperclip or image icon. 3. Select an image. You'll be prompted to choose an image from your device's gallery or file system. Select the image you want to upload. 4. Upload the image. Once selected, the image will be uploaded into the chat, and I can help analyze or provide feedback based on the image.